Today I'll be doing two examples with you on word problems, and we will be graphing these. Next unit, you'll actually have to write the equations based on the word problem, but for this unit, we're just worried about the graphing, so it gives us the equations that you're going to be graphing. Let's get into it. It says, a lake was stocked with 350 trout. Each year, the population decreases by 14. The population of trout in the lake after X years is represented by the function y equals 350 minus 14x. Graph the function, then find how many years it will take for the population to reach 0. So what you need to remember for the word problems you do today, you need to solve it by finding the x and y intercepts. So I might write this over here. Find x and y intercepts. So let's find the x and y intercepts for this equation. Y equals 350 minus 14x. To find the x and y intercepts, I want x and y on the same side, so I'm going to add 14x. That gets me 14x plus y equals 350. Now to get my x-intercept, it's going to be 14x equals 350. And for my y-intercept, it'll be y equals 350. I'm going to solve this. 350 divided by 14 is 25. So that point is 25, 0. And over here, I don't have to solve anything, so that point is 0, 350. Okay, now we're going to graph it. I don't have enough space on my paper to graph, so I have another piece of paper. And this problem actually came off of a worksheet that I have, and I'll show you the problem here. It goes by 50s on the y-axis, and it goes by 5s on the x-axis. So that's what we're going to do as well. I hope that's enough. And okay, well, hope that that's enough. For these, you do need to number the lines so I know what you went by. So again, the y-axis goes by 50s, so 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350. What number do we need? Well, our highest number is going to be 350, so let's go one above it. So let's go to 400. And then on the x-axis, we go by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and our x-axis was 25, 0, so let's go one more. So let's go to 30. And now we graph our points. So as you recall, our points were 25, 0, and 0, 350. So 25, 0 is right here, and 0, 350 is right there. I'm going to draw my line to connect the dots. And on these, you do not need to draw the arrows indicating that it goes on forever. Just connect the dots. You don't have to have the arrows. Okay. And so the question was, find how many years it will take for the population to reach 0. So this was the time. I probably should have written that before. And this was the population. So population reaches 0 when it reaches this line, and it reaches this line at 25. So the answer here, the population reaches 0 after 25 years. This was in years. Okay, so that's what you're going to be doing today. We do have one more example, so I'm going to switch back to that. Okay. This one says the number of brake pads needed for a car is 4, and a manufacturing plant has 480 brake pads. The number of brake pads remaining after they have been installed on X cars is represented by the function y equals 480 minus 4x. Graph the function, then find how many brake pads are left after installing them on 20 cars. Okay, so we need to find the x and y intercepts first, so I'm going to take the equation y equals 480 minus 4x. I want it in the standard form, or have the x and the y on the same side, so I'm going to add 4x. That gets me 4x plus y equals 480. Now I'm going to use that equation to find the x and y intercepts. So for the x-intercept, it'll be 4x equals 480, and for the y-intercept, it'll be y equals 480. Here I'm dividing by 4, and 480 divided by 4 is 120, so that point is 120, 0. And here I don't have to solve anything, so the point here is 0, 480. So this is going to be a large graph, but we'll make it work. So I'm going to come back to my graph paper now. And here's number 2. I'll show you, this one's from a worksheet as well. So they went by 50s on the y-axis again, like the last time. But here they went by 20s. So that's what we'll do as well. Okay, so y-axis, this is the number of brake pads remaining. Sorry, I forgot how to spell remaining there for a second. And then down here is the number of cars. Okay, this goes by 50s. And let's see, our y-intercept is 480, so I'm going to go up to 500. Okay, and the number of cars goes by 20s. And what was our x-intercept? It was 120, so let's go to 140. So again, our points are 120, 0, and 0, 480. So 120, 0 is right here, and 480 we're going to kind of have to estimate a little bit. So I'm going to say it's right about there. Okay, I'm going to draw my line. Okay, and then the question was, let's see, find how many brake pads are left after installing them on 20 cars. So number of cars is 20, and then hopefully it works. So there are 400 brake pads remaining. So let's write out our answer because it is a word problem. There are 400 brake pads left after installing them on 20 cars. Okay, that's all I have for you today. You can go ahead and get started on your assignment.